Looking to explore fashion and creative sewing? Introducing the Brother Project Runway XR9550PRW, the computerized sewing and quilting machine. Showcase your talents with its beautiful built-in stitches, including decorative stitches, buttonhole stitches, and 55 alphanumeric stitches. View and adjust your stitches on the large backlit LCD display. Plus, so many versatile feet means so many creative sewing options. Blind hems, overcast seams, zippers, buttonholes, and buttons, monogramming, straight stitches, and even free motion sewing. Get more freedom with an expansive workspace and features that make sewing fun and easy, like an advanced needle threading system, quick set drop-in top bobbin, and thread tension control. Take your creative sewing to the next level with the Brother Project Runway XR9550PRW Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.